Have you noticed that everywhere you go today, especially in Nigeria, you will hear names like content creator Sabinus, content creator Brain Jota, content creator Mark Angel, content creator Aproko Doctor, Very Dark Man, popularly known as VDM, content creator this, content creator that. But have you asked yourself who a content creator is? In this video, I just want to let you know who a content creator is, and I will go further to unveil and reveal to you what the content creator's mindset is. Stay tuned.
Chris Igobasi, CEO MIndBurst Entertainment.
Hello, MIndBurst Nation. Welcome to International Content Creators Day 2025. April 23 every year is globally declared and celebrated as Content Creators Day. It is a day to demonstrate appreciation and raise awareness for the global power and influence of content creators globally. It's a day set aside to appreciate what content creation is doing in the global community. And you will agree with me that globally, content creation has gone to a different level. In the 17th centuries, a man named Benjamin Franklin wrote the Poor Richard's Almanac to post in his business, and this was considered the first content to be created by what? Individuals and businesses published today. Now, the onset of social media paved the way for individuals globally to produce and create their own individual content and share it with people. Today, just YouTube alone, over 500 hours of videos are uploaded on the YouTube platform on every minute. And I'm lucky to be part of the content creators community. So once again, happy International Content Creators Day 2025. I am Igobasi Chris, leader MIndBurst Nation, and as well MindBurst TV CEO. I am just here to unleash and unveil what you need to know about your mind, your mindset, so that you can make the most of life. Why? Because your mind is the most powerful weapon, the most powerful tool that you have at your own disposal to achieve any dream of your choice. Whether you are a student, you are a professional, or you are a businessman or entrepreneur, your mind is the most powerful tool, the most powerful weapon that you have at your own disposal to achieve any dream of your choice. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to MIndBurst TV on YouTube. Also do well to follow us on our social media platform. Like and share this video with someone. Having said that, let's dive into the video of the day. A content is any form of information. Take note, information, whether entertainment, educational, comedy, as the case may be, that is created and shared with an audience through various channels. I take it again. A content is any form of information that is created and shared with what? With an audience through various channels. A content can be in the form of audio, in the form of video, like this one that you are watching is in the form of video, in the form of podcasts, amongst others. Now, who is a content creator? A content creator is any person, could be me, could be you, could be anybody that produces and shares valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. I take it again. A content creator is anyone who produces and shares valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Now, like I said earlier, every content is either in the form of text, images, videos, podcasts, etc., etc. Okay, did you hear that? so you too can become a content creator. That's the more reason I want you to have an idea of what content creation is all about, so that you too can become a content creator. Guess what? My name remains Igobasi Chris. I am the leader of MIndBurst Nation, a place where we are building a people with the winner's mindset. We believe at MIndBurst that if you can think, if you can believe, and if you can take action, then you can achieve any dream of your choice. Why? Because whatever the human mind can conceive, believe, and if action is taken, the mind can achieve it. Please subscribe to MindBurst TV on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, on X, formerly Twitter, and on TikTok for more mind-transforming information. Kindly like and share this video with someone. Your comments and your contributions are also welcome. Thanks for watching and always being there. See you in the next video. I love you.